Hi everyone, for this project we were briefed to design a zero contact product based off our own human-centered design process of finding participants and asking them what they feel are problematic areas outside of their house. The human-centered design process gave me lots of feedback, and with that I chose my direction to look into toilet stalls, as it was pointed out the most amount of times out of all the participants. I did research on toilet stalls in malls and found out just how unclean they really are. With all that in mind, I was given the brand TOTO to base my design off. Through sketching, I came to my final desired design for the housing of the electrical components. Luckily enough, I was able to get my hands on a basic Arduino kit with my chosen sensor to start testing it out and get an idea of how all these electrical components will fit into a housing. With a lot of coding and playing around, I got the gesture sensor to run the motor according to the gestures I want, left being open and right closed. Now that I have figured it all out, the electrical components, I then started CADing my design into SolidWorks and did engineering drawings as well as renders. My final outcome is a gesture control toilet stall that a person walks into, swipes their hand to close the stall door, and then opens it using the opposite gesture. The control pad sends output signals using direct current to the motor, which is attached to the stall door's hinges and opens or closes it. The sensor is placed inside to avoid any mishaps from the outside, and more than one sensor and a more complicated system. A lock for the stall isn't necessary, as the motor itself locks the door in its position unless the output signal is received from a user.